Hello dear students, now I am going to show you demonstrate of torsion viscometer experiment, that is minor experiment. Aim of the experiment to determine the viscosity of given oil. Oil used for experiment, that is 20W40 engine oil, that is SAE 20W40 engine oil. You can see there. Parts of the torsion viscometer, there are three different size of cylinders are there. Here you can see 1, 2, 3. One cylinder is already fixed, okay. Then this is the torsion wire. This one is torsion wire, and this is the pointer. Pointer you can see. This is the pointer. Next, this one is bob. This one is bob, and this is the cup. This is the cup, and this is the stand. This is the leveling screw. You can see there. Leveling screw 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, this is the dial disc. Dial disc, and this is the cup holder. This one is cup holder, and this one is torsion head. This one is torsion head. This is the flywheel. This is the pointer, and this is the flywheel. Okay, this is the parts of the torsion viscometer. Before doing the experiment, first fill the oil in the oil cup. Fill the oil in the oil cup. Then place the oil in the cup holder. You can see there. Like that. Place the cup in the cup holder. And then level the apparatus and select size of the cylinder and wire. So first of all, level the apparatus and select size of the cylinder and wire. You can see. Then attach the one end of the torsion wire to the torsion head and other end to the flywheel. You can see. Other end to the flywheel. Then fix the cylinder to the bottom of the flywheel. Fix the cylinder to the bottom of the flywheel. And then place a cup containing the oil at the required temperature below the flywheel with the cylinder fully dipped in oil. And before taking the reading, the pointer should be in 0 position. Pointer should be in 0 position. You can see. By rotating this torsion head. By rotating this torsion head. Then lock the screw. So next, clamp it by means of release pin. Clamp it by release pin. Then rotate the flywheel by using torsion head in clockwise direction from 0 position through one complete revolution to the 0 again. You can see. Okay. Rotate the flywheel by using torsion head in clockwise direction from 0 position through one complete revolution to the 0 again. Then pull out the release pin so that flywheel swings through one complete revolution and further part of a revolution by the momentum of the flywheel. Then note the position at which the pointer comes to rest before returning again, and note down the circular scale reading also. Okay. Note the position at which the pointer comes to rest before returning again. And then collect the 60 ml vial. Collect the 60 ml vial and weigh the 60 ml vial by using weighing scale and note down the readings. See. Note down the reading. From the chart supplied by the manufacturer, note the time in redwood second and corresponding to the angle of the swing. You can see. If it is 250 circular scale reading, you can see that 250. Cylinder size you can see here. Cylinder size, here different types of cylinder size are there, 10, 20, 30. Now we are using 20. See. Next, heat the oil by using heater and repeat the experiment for different temperatures like that. Heat the oil at different temperatures. Repeat the experiment for different temperatures. Okay, thermometer you can see there. Temperature you can see in thermometer. Thank you.